Hello, I'm Louis, and I'm excited to be here today to tell you about the all-new Apollo PRECISION-5 PRO LE. Since 1966, Apollo has been an innovator in turbine HVLP technology made right here in the USA. The PRECISION-5 is no exception, so let's dive right in and take a look. The PRECISION-5 PRO LE is a 5-stage turbine that's going to deliver 10 psi of sealed pressure for optimum atomization. This is going to give you the ability to spray a variety of coatings including lacquers, varnishes, urethanes, and water-based 1 and 2K polys, with little to no reduction. We have documented an 80% transfer efficiency, resulting typically in a 38% savings when compared to a compressed air system. What you'll notice is that this particular unit has the optional 2.5 quart pressure pot with a built-in compressor. This is going to give you the ability to spray more material than what would be in just a 1 quart cup. The PRECISION-5 is the only turbine on the market with an LCD readout that's accurate to 1/10 of a PSI. As a professional finisher, this is going to allow you to accurately document your finishing schedules. Let's say you're working with spray stains, metallics, or pearl finishes. It's going to be important for you to document those settings in case you ever have to replicate that finish. The message center is also going to serve as your hour meter. This is going to help you keep track of your maintenance and cleaning schedules. It'll also let you know when the motor's getting too hot and give you a temperature warning and when it's time to change the filter. Apollo's patented PowerPause technology will provide a 45-second auto idle mode to preserve motor life and long-term reliability while permitting highest available flow pressure. The QuadraClean dual automotive filters provide advanced air filtration to keep the system running cooler and prolong the motor life. The PRECISION-5 PRO LE also features a handy hold docking station. This is going to allow you to take your 7700 series gun that's full of paint when you're on site and dock it safely and securely on the turbine itself. The 32-foot Apollo Flex hose features quick, lightweight alloy couplers on both ends and the exclusive Ultra Flex whip hose at the spray gun ends. This is going to give you more control over the gun itself without the cumbersome weight of a heavy hose. The Apollo 7700 series atomizer spray gun is manufactured using aircraft-grade aluminum. Its internal parts are expertly engineered from marine-grade stainless steel and have no O-rings, making this gun extremely durable, lightweight, and balanced. It features dual air and material inputs and a material adjustment knob with plus and minus indicators. The precision fan control is located at the front of the gun and will allow you to have ultimate control while allowing you to get into hard to reach places. With its unique design, you can configure the gun as a gravity feed, a pressure feed, or take the cup off and use it as a production feed. The 7700 series atomizer spray gun has a variety of needles, nozzles, and air cap options available. The PRECISION-5 PRO LE includes 3 needles and nozzles and 2 air caps, giving you the ability and confidence to work with a variety of coating options. The PRO LE package also includes a gun spanner, your gun lube, our blow-off tool, viscosity meter, and our premium cleaning kit. So there you have it, the Apollo PRECISION-5 PRO LE. We appreciate you taking the time and considering Apollo for your next spray equipment purchase. We're a family-owned business made right here in the USA. Thanks.